Let me show you how easy it is to deploy an AI model that you control. There are more than 20 AI models, all open source, all available to deploy on decentralized cloud infrastructure. What makes OpenxAI special is it's completely open source and it has a Skyscanner style interface for bare metal provider deployments. It aggregates dedicated bare metal servers all around the world, ensuring that you get the best hardware at wholesale prices, often 80 to 90% cheaper than other cloud providers. Using Ethereum smart contract standards like 𝗧𝗏𝗏 4337, you can rent out access to your custom AI deployment, like selling access to your API. With 𝗧𝗏𝗏 721, you can tokenize your specific AI setup and prove that you own that deployment, and even sell that whole deployment as an NFT on OpenSea. With 𝗧𝗏𝗏 1155, you can split access to your AI service or datasets, letting multiple users pay to use or own a piece of your deployment. With Web3 on OpenxAI Studio, you can securely reach global users, get paid in crypto, and skip the middleman, all on a transparent, decentralized network. So during the launch of OpenxAI, there's a pool of 3 demo servers for anyone to play with. So when you click the deploy button, OpenxAI Studio deploys this AI app template. There's xNode-OS, which is a NixOS fork. It's a secure AI optimized operating system. There's 𝗀 running in the backend for efficient model management. And then there's OpenWebUI for easy chat interaction with your model. And there you have it. AI model is now running on bare metal server with a OpenWebUI chatbot front end. So let's test it out. Make sure you copy the username and the password to be able to log in. As you can see, we've deployed the 𝗃𝗍 R1 1.5 billion parameter model. From this screen, we can now chat to the model. So let's ask it a question. And there's our answer, and that concludes the demo. So today we're able to choose out of 20 plus models of many different parameter sizes, deploy it on top of bare metal, running on top of xNode-OS and 𝗀 using the OpenWebUI front end. If you'd like to learn more about our decentralized AI infrastructure, check out our docs page. OpenxAI is building the next generation of permissionless AI infrastructure. No VCs, no corporate controls, just community-owned AI that anyone can access and deploy. Make sure you like and subscribe for more decentralized AI infrastructure updates. Remember, your AI, your rules, no middlemen. See you next time.